Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to lock cells in Google Sheets. So this will be the cell to lock 1 and this will be cell to lock 2. So we want to lock these two cells. Just select them, go to data, then to protect sheets and ranges. And as you can see, if you selected this before, it automatically selected the range for you, and you can set the permissions to restrict who can edit this range, and it could be only you or custom that you select. You can also copy permissions from another range if you have one. Then press done. Now as you can see, the changes are saved and the lock is right here. So now you can only edit these two cells and nobody else that have access to this sheet. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.